Hi there everyone and welcome back. It's me again, it's teacher Liza, and today we are going to learn about vocabularies, CVC words that has the eh sound. Okay, are you ready to learn and study with me? Yes! Okay, here is Saibel as well, and she is going to learn and study with us. Okay, so the first one is, do you know what this is? This is a doctor for the animals. Teacher Liza, what does the doctor for the animals do? So when your dog gets sick or your cat, meow, got sick, you take them to the veterinarian. Okay, so the veterinarian is a vet. So let's look. It says vet. Again, vet. Vet. Very good, vet. So, Saibel, please, quiet sa ding. So if we take that out, it will be if we put the v first. And the next one, what's the missing sound? A. And the t. So, vet. Vet. Very good. Yay! Next one. Oh, I see a dog. What does the dog do? The dog is playing in the water. And now the dog is wet. The dog is wet because the dog is playing in the water, and now he's wet only because he wants to swim. But it's not so deep. He's just playing in the water. Okay, so if we try to take that off, okay, let's put the w first on the first, and then the e, the sound on the middle, and the third is the t. So it becomes t. Wet. Very good. Next one. I have two hands, the left and the right. Oh, what is this? It's your hand or your finger. So let's try to read our vocabulary, our word. It has the t, e, n, t, e, t, e, n, t, n for ten. So that means 10 fingers. If you take a look, it's 10 fingers. Now, if I try to take this off, okay, can you help me spell? The first one is the t. Whoop. And the second one is the e. And the third sound is n. 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. Very good. Good job, you. Okay, next one. Our next CVC word is the ta-da! It says tuk-tala-o. Tuk-tala-o. Okay, what is this? It's a n. I think this one doesn't say tuk-tala. It says bok. It's a chicken, and this is a mama chicken. So it's okay, I'm sorry, our n is not placed properly. So it's n for hen. It's a hen. Okay, now let's try to take that off. So what is the first sound? The first sound is and the next sound is the and the third sound is n. So now let's read again the whole word. N. N for hen. Very good. Good job, good job, good job, you. Alright, our next word, and the CVC word is, this is where animals like to stay or animals like to sleep. What is this? This is a fox. And this is like a little cave, and we call it a den. Okay, shall we read? The N. The N. The N for the N. Den. We call this a den. That's where the animals normally hide or sleep during nighttime. Sometimes a den can be like a house for some animals to hibernate and take a good night's sleep. Okay, the den. Okay, now let's take that off.
Oh no!
Right. So what is the first sound? We have the. And the next sound is e. And the third sound is n. Okay. So we have the N. The N. Den. Okay, that is an animal den. So this is a fox. And the fox is sleeping on his den. Okay. Next word is, what is this? There are people. These are like grandpa and a grandma. No, not grandma. Grandpa and an uncle and a man. But there's three of them. 1, 2, 3. So are we going to read this one? Let's read. So it's M-N. M-N. How do you read? M-N. You have to point with your finger, okay? M-N. M-N. Man. It's a man. And there are 3 men. 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's try to take it off, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What's the first sound? First sound is M. And the next sound is E. And the third sound is N. Okay, now let's try to read again the word. It will be N. N. Men. Men. 3 men. 1, 2, 3. Wow, very good. Good job. Let's give a big round of applause. And the last vocabulary, the last 2 vocabularies is, what is this? This is a diamond, and a diamonds can be called also as a M for gem. So this is but why do we say ja? So gem. So gem. This is a gem or a big diamond. Okay, let's take that off. Okay, so the first sound is g, and and so it becomes gem or a diamond. Good. And the last and final word that also contains the is the, it's a dress. But what do we call this dress at the end of the, you see that dotted line on the dress at the end, like this one? We call it the for hem. Okay, hem, the hem of your dress. Okay, let's take that off. Let's take all of that sound. Now let's do it again. Our first sound is put that there. And the second one is And the third sound is for for hem. Okay, very good. So those are some of the words that contains the sound. So thank you so much for listening to Teacher Liza, and I will see you again on our next lesson, which will be the continuation still of some of the CVC words that has the sound. Okay? Thank you so much for listening, and let's say goodbye to our friends. Okay? Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, dear students. Goodbye to you and you and you and you and you and you. Bye bye everyone. See you again next time.